Batesi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Everything you say to me, just one step closer to the edge. And all about to break, I need a little room to breathe. Just one step closer to the edge. And I'm about to break.
Sembut Menteri Rangba jangka jela bak Preston Tensong ula ong bak isu kebai day bat ka state reservation policy kalong ka bak Kham Kyllaiñ bat kan yai long ru ka jing tunju ka bak rau bha ha kisnam ki bansawan ha ka jing keran bagi lap thai kubor bak Preston la ong ha shwa bani khata yak ni kamat don kam ban pej ru ya ka jing ta khu bat ka an bat on omla satya ban penkala ni pen pej thamai klem da pej bat bishar pnya na barok Kyllaiñ.
Already explained to them very, very clearly. And you know well, reception policy is very, very sensitive issue. And they do well also about the challenges which we have, be it from the year 1972, be it this year, or be it in the next term. This issue is very, very challenging. And number two, when we discuss certain issues because see the legal aspect has also to be look into it. You cannot just say blindly that yes, let us change it or let us amend it. And then I think we knew well, even the Honorable High Court has stepped in on this issue. Ultimately, we have to prepare even the roster system because all these years we don't have the roster system. So I've told them, yes, collectively let us find out ways and means. We don't want to deprive anybody, but we wanted to have a detailed justice, be it to Garo Hills, be it to Jainti Hills, be it to Khasi Hills. Not like that. In fact, right now, I've already explained to them, see, we have to, because each and every department, they have to have a roster system in place. And the roster system is not from today onwards. We have to even look back. The day the reservation policy was implemented in the state of Bengal. And that was the ruling of the court. So therefore we are examining all this, we are preparing the roster, and then the different department, head of the department, concerned department, they are working out on it, how to go about it, and how to implement and how to bring in the roster system.